Okay, for number 2 here, part A, we have R is this region with the line ln x squared plus 1 right here. We got y equals 3 horizontal, x equals 1. All right, so R is the region of this shaded. The cross-section is perpendicular to the x-axis, so this is my shape right here's base, bottom line there. And again, there's no white space, we're not revolving or anything, so it's this piece, which then I'm gonna redraw that line on its side right here. So this length is this length. And this shape is a triangle with the height twice as long as this length is. I don't know if it's a right triangle, but it actually doesn't matter. We have the base and the height. It should be fine. So this bottom line right here comes from here. So top minus bottom would be 3 minus the ln x squared plus 1 line. And then the height is twice that, so 2 times that quantity. And then now I can set up my integral. So the triangle's formula is 1/2 base which is that line, times the height, which is this amount, and I see that I actually have 1/2 and a 2 right here that they can cancel out. So they're gone. And then I also have these two quantities are the same. So I'll just square that. Then for my limits of integration here, it looks like my first piece starts at 1. So that's nice. And then the second piece here happens at an intersection. It looks like we cannot just assume that value. So we got to intersect it. So we'll put that into our calculator. At the top equation is y equals 3, and then the ln equation. That's x squared plus 1 graph, and hopefully, no, we're not going to see it in this window, I don't think. I'll zoom out just a bit. Somewhere up here. There we go. All right, so second trace, intersect. So enter on the left, enter when you go right. So the intersection is 4.36869997. Don't round too soon there. All right, and then I got to put this into my equation, and I can see, like, if I look at my y equals here, well, actually, I don't think I need to do the y bars here. All right, I'm just going to type it in. So I'm going to go math, integral 1 to 4.36869997, and then 3 minus ln x squared plus 1. And then that needs to be squared. Let's make sure I got that whole thing being squared. Let's double check that. That's not good. So I need to add another parenthesis right here so I can press second. And then this delete button has a little insert. So if I insert that and then I need another, now it allows me to put a parenthesis right there where I inserted that space. So now there's a parenthesis here, which then gets closed up here, and then that's squared. That looks good. Okay, so this should be my answer then.